afternoon. My name is B. Pushpalatha. I am studying in 7th class in our government girls high school. Today I am speaking about Tallik Vandanam scheme 2025. Tallik Vandanam, improving mothers' education training. Who are you? Tallik Vandanam is a welfare initiative launched by AP government led by Chief Minister of and Chandrababu Naidu Garu on June 12, 2025. On the occasion of complete 1 year of office. It builds on earlier time was Amavodi scheme, which is launched by Amavodi scheme is via Jagan Mohan Reddy. Objectives directly mothers improving finance, education, reduce dropped rates on and support the bank their accounts for classes 1 to 12th. Key future assistant per child 15,000 rupees annually, 13,000 rupees directly bank account and other linked bank account, 2,000 rupees is for school development. Budget elevation 8,725 crore for this economic year and the 6,727 lakh students. Objective elevation eligibility. Thank you for giving opportunity.